At Pine Island Middle and High School, we use a learning management system called Schoology to keep coursework and grades for our middle and high school students. I want to talk today about logging in and the Parent Digest feature that allows you to set up weekly updates that will go directly to your inbox. To start, earlier this week you were all sent login information. If you scroll to the bottom of the school website and click on the Schoology for Parents, it will bring you to a login screen to enter that information. Once in, your screen will go to a landing page that looks like this with your name in the topmost corner. By clicking the down arrow, you will see your child or all of your children listed underneath if you have multiple children in the 512 school. One feature we find extremely helpful for parents is to turn on Parent Digest. I'm going to go to a test student and show you how to turn that on. Once in, with your child's name on top, go down and click the Settings button. This will bring you to a screen where you can select notifications. The Parent Email Digest, if turned on, will send a weekly or daily update into your inbox on a specified day and time of your choice. You can also toggle on the email notification feature for overdue submissions. Once you get this set up and save changes, you'll now receive a weekly update of your students' grades, overdue submissions, and upcoming assignments that will be sent to your inbox weekly. So give it a try. We find that most parents like that feature and rarely need to log on to Schoology because this is sent directly to their inbox.